How to turn on data saver on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just follow the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram application, then you go down and you open your profile, then you go to this three line and click on settings again, and you go down, click on account, and then you go to down and you go to uh, calculate data use. Then you will turn on this option by clicking here, data saver, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful and helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel in app, and if you have any question, can write it down in comments, and see you next video.